Hey guys, today is Wednesday, November 18th. Our I can statement today is I can ask and answer questions about key details in a text, doing who, what, when, where, why, and how. So today we're going to read a text, and this text is called It's Thanksgiving. And then we're going to go through a practice assessment together. Just so that we can see if we are applying. I won't be able, obviously, to record your answers on here. We're just going to kind of run through it together. And then I believe on tomorrow, on Friday, that you will be reached out to on this assessment, or your teacher will let you know when you're taking this assessment with them. Okay, so let's go ahead and read together. It's Thanksgiving by Tessa Keenan. Thanksgiving Day. It is Thanksgiving Day. People celebrate this holiday in the United States. Thanksgiving is in fall. The harvest is in fall. Food is gathered from farms. Thanksgiving is a time of thanks. People give thanks for the harvest. What else might people give thanks for? I'm really thankful for my students and my coworkers at school. Families gather for a big meal. They give thanks for their food. They enjoy time with family. Families eat different foods. Many families eat turkey. What other foods might people eat at Thanksgiving? What are some of the foods that you eat? Pumpkin pie is for dessert. People put whipped cream on top. It is a tradition. Pumpkin pie is definitely my favorite. After the meal, some people volunteer. They share and serve food with others. Why might people volunteer at Thanksgiving? Why do you think? I think it's to give back to the community and to share with others, being thankful. Some families play football. Some families watch football on TV. Some people watch a parade. How do you celebrate Thanksgiving? Month of November. Thanksgiving comes once a year. It is on the fourth Thursday in November. So that's why we will have, goodness, next week we will have, this calendar is different, but we'll have that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off. Crazy, crazy. So let's go ahead and look at this now. And we're just going to walk through this together. Where is Thanksgiving celebrated? In the United States. When is Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is on the fourth Thursday of the month. How do people celebrate Thanksgiving? People can celebrate Thanksgiving by watching parades, playing football, volunteering. There's lots of different ways to celebrate Thanksgiving. So then here, what I want you to do is, with the person sitting next to you, go ahead and tell them two key details from the text, and then ask them a question about the text. So this is kind of the format of our assessment whenever your teacher reaches out to you to take it, and this is what it will look like when you take it with them. So it's just really good practice to have. So today you'll watch this video, then you're going to listen, read, quiz one book, and then you're going to choose to do for 15 minutes. You can do Teach Your Monster or read on Epic. And then you are going to write all about Thanksgiving. So, I hope that you guys have such a great weekend. We'll see you next week.